Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. Before we continue this video, we implore you, if you're a new viewer, please hit that subscription button. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we drop our latest video. Right? Please remember to follow us on Instagram as well at YaadMentz.
And like us on Facebook at YaadMentz.
YaadMentz. So today we're doing something different. I don't think it's like a kitchen thing, but
it's like a food item.
Right. But I mean, we kind of do everything here so far. So I guess we're going to try black peel off mask.
Yeah,
a purifying peel off mask. It is from Stash Skin
and Natural Collection.
Right.
Yeah, it's called Stash and it's a Skin Natural Collection.
Right. They Stash. They have an Instagram page. It's Stash Beauty JA. What they do beauty and spa services. They do makeup. They sell makeup and accessories and skincare products. So if you're looking for something local, because this is a local product. If you're looking for something local made, you want to support the local market, Stash Beauty is one of these producers of items like these beauty skincare products, right? They kind of reached out to us on Instagram, so we said that let us go and see what they offer. I've never tried the face peel off mask before, so this is my first time, and I've always wanted to try it. I see people say it's painful, etc., etc. So I want to try it. What you think? Have you ever tried this before?
No, I've never tried it before. Seen it on YouTube. I've seen people try it, and some people say it really works. Some people say, oh, nothing didn't come out. But we'll see. I don't think I have like acne prone skin, but I know that I do have clumped pores, and it says that it's supposed to unclog your pores and exfoliate and stuff like that, which I don't do.
Right.
I don't have a skin routine like that where people tone and exfoliate and moisturize. No, I don't.
So what is like your skincare routine?
I just said I don't have one.
Oh, yeah.
So what's your asking?
Okay. I'm just asking. Yeah, but for me, I really don't have a routine as well. Well, my routine is I just wash my face with just water, and then I use a cotton and put some apple cider vinegar in it, and I just wipe my face. I don't do that every day though, but that's what I do to keep my face like how it is, nice and clean.
Yeah, and you don't have acne prone skin.
No, I don't really have acne prone skin.
Yeah, but we'll see.
Yeah. All right. So let's see. Well, what are some of the active ingredients in it?
All right. Some of the active ingredients is water, polyvinyl acetate, glycerol, charcoal powder, aloe vera, vitamin E, lavender essential oil. That's it actually. Okay. That's the complete ingredients list.
Right. So this container costs $1,200.
$1,200 Jamaican dollars.
1,200 Jamaican dollars.
1,200
Jamaican dollars.
And how much comes in there?
This is
3.5 ounce container.
Right, and this is what you get. Unfortunately, we didn't get like a thing to put it on your face.
Yeah, we didn't get an applicator, which is very unfortunate, because I know by watching some other videos that it can get very messy. Right. But I know you can use your hands, but it would have been just really an added plus if we got a applicator. Right. Yeah.
All right. So I want to apply it on my face. Can you try to avoid the ears?
So why I have to do it?
I can't do it myself. You have to do it for me. Can you just do it for me? All right. I think we might have to speed up this part because it might take a little while. So yeah, go ahead.
And we're just using this because
wow, the smell is strong.
Smell like rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, it is. The smell is strong. Yeah, it's not bad. Let's go.
Wow, it's really running.
It's running.
Yeah.
And you have to wait, like, you make it dry in your face for like 20 minutes before you can peel it off. The container does have instructions on how to apply it and what you can use to...
Is it burning your eye?
No, it's not burning.
But your eye like?
I don't know, it's just a thing like people doing something on your face and you kind of close your eyes. Apply like a thick coating or too small.
Not too small? What does that mean?
Not too little bit. And Stash Beauty is located on Red Hills Road. The direction is on the Facebook page. So if you need the direction, you can look at their Instagram page, or you can message Simone from Stash, and she'll direct you and tell you where exactly off Red Hills Road it is.
You see, guys, this is so hard because he has hair on his face. Obviously, he's a man. But I think I got some hair. Like,
well, I hope it's not so.
Ooh, this part is running. Oh God, it's running. I hope it doesn't hurt like bad. And then I'm gonna do your nose. It says thick, so I might have to go early here.
Okay. Alright guys, so we completed our face, but you never get to see it because it cut off.
Yeah, it stopped recording, and we never realized it was recording.
Right.
So as you can see, Sean's face is completed and my face is completed.
Right.
I opted only to do my nose and my cheeks. So yeah, it has actually started to dry. Your face does kind of feel a little stiff.
Yeah, it's getting stiff.
Yeah, when he was applying it close to my eyes, my eyes are watery naturally. So my eyes started to feel a little, irritated-ish, like watery-ish, like it wanted to water, but I guess it went away.
Right.
And so I think we're going to finish drying.
Right.
We're probably going to need the assistance of a fan or something. We'll probably sit in front of a fan, so
right, I don't think you want to coat it too heavy because it will take a longer time to dry and
but
runs.
It does say that you must coat it heavily.
Right.
So,
but from my experience, if you coat it heavy, it's going to run and it's not going to dry as quickly as you would want it to.
Yeah.
So I guess you just do a mid heavy coat, not too heavy, so you can get a nice dry, so it doesn't run. Because if you can see on my face, you can see areas where it's running.
Yeah.
For Dev, if you can see this bulk area, you see it running and it's running. So you don't want to coat it too heavy, like a mid to light coat, and you should be good. So we're going to sit in the fan and let it dry, and then we'll come.
Sit in the fan.
Sit before the fan, let it dry, and then we'll come back. So stay tuned.
Okay, guys, we are back. It's completely dry.
Yeah, it feels dry.
It feels very stiff. I'm talking and it's like giving me resistance.
Yeah.
Some areas around the edges actually have started to peel. So we're going to start peeling. It did say to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes or whenever it is dry.
Right.
And how long were we waiting?
Well, over 20 minutes.
Over 20 minutes, and we did sit in front of the fan to kind of speed up the drying process.
Right.
What else? It did say to put on an opaque layer evenly. We didn't do such a fabulous job at that, but
no.
Yeah. Let's see. Do you want me to peel yours?
No, I'll peel mine.
Please. All right, go on.
Let me.
I'll hold them here for you.
No,
it hurts?
It don't hurt, but it does feel. Oof. Oh, look. Oh, yeah, it kind of sting.
Okay, and you.
It's not hot, but it just have a sting to it. It feels like when you're taking tape off your skin. I can't see my face.
Sorry.
You see, it does get out a little oil out.
Sorry, I'm trying to look at him while he's trying to take off the thing.
It's not as hot as I thought it would be.
I'm afraid to take off mine now.
Mm-hmm.
Because if it's stinging you like that.
It's not that bad. It did kind of get out some stuff out the nose.
Yeah.
I'll show you that afterwards, how it looks. Just put mine right here.
Yeah.
Can I see if it's too completely?
Just on your eyes to take off. Whatever you want. I can't see so.
This part wasn't so
dry.
But my face does look it's a little bit not so oily.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I think we both have.
You should wipe your face with some warm water afterwards. So face, I should.
I was just about to say, I think we're prone to getting oil in our T-zone, so like the nose and the forehead. So I think that would have helped with the oiliness there. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Clean face, clean skin.
Alright, let me try to take off my ring.
Like wrinkle up your face, so yeah, helps it.
Ooh!
It's not that bad. She's I think you're exaggerating.
I am not. Ow. It does sting.
Come on. Oof.
You're hearing people? Him saying oof. Oof.
So it does sting me. I do a better job than you putting it on your face?
Yes, apparently. Ooh. Ooh. Mhm. Ooh. Ooh. It's taking a break, you know?
I did a better job coating her face than she
Yes.
coated mine, so I guess that's why it didn't sting so much. So if you want somebody to coat your face with a mask, come link me.
Hello. Oh, right to send him a drag.
That's what it's.
That sting. That sting.
Let's rip it out. Let's rip out the rest.
You want to do that on us? No. Disgusting.
Yeah.
Alright, stop. That hurts. You see that, guys? Oh! And I guess because down here is where my beard is, so that it's pulling on the hairs.
Don't let us wear your what? Your beard? You have a beard? Wow. Here, wipe your face. So we're going to show you the results of both Devon's peel and my peel. I think Devon get a better peel than I did. Yeah?
Is it off?
Well, you have some on this side. Your glasses. Yeah.
Wow.
So you can use some warm water afterwards to help wipe off the rest of the residue.
Right.
So that's what we did. We had a container of warm water, and that's it. That's our YaadMentz Try Stash Mask Peel.
Ooh. Charcoal mask.
Charcoal mask peel.
My skin does feel soft. I mean, here. It does feel soft.
It just don't feel so oily.
Yeah.
So I guess it get rid of the oil in your face, in your pores, kind of, you know.
Yeah.
I guess I will do this again another time.
You would?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's not. It didn't hurt me. It didn't hurt like how I thought it would.
You can't go on and sleep?
When it was coming off though, I get that
It sting, and
like a sting.
No, my
sting.
face is still stinging.
Yeah, you can still feel that, you know, the after effect of it. But it wasn't bad.
Yeah. Would you give it a YaadMentz thumbs up, thumbs down, halfway thumbs?
I will give it a YaadMentz thumbs up because I think it kind of did what it's supposed to do. I think.
I mean, I guess I'll give it a halfway thumb. I mean, I guess it's okay. I mean, I feel like I could have used a regular exfoliant still. Not necessarily one with things that stings, but yeah, I guess it wasn't bad.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry never get to see us actually applying the mask on each other's face.
Yeah. You saw parts of Sean's, but
right.
not fully.
But it was fun. It was a fun YaadMentz tries.
Something different.
Right, something really different. So you can link up Stash Beauty JA on Instagram, see what more they offer that you can try as well. We recommend that you try Jamaican products, but we're promoting Jamaican products. It's good to have like young people out there creating stuff, putting it out on the market, and just wanting to do good for themselves. So big up Stash Beauty JA.
Yes, and please remember to subscribe, guys. Like us on Facebook, and also follow us on Instagram. Wow, my face is tingling. And we will see you guys
in the next episode. Thank you for watching.